Hi friends! Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to share with you an easy cake recipe. Before we start, did you know that today was World Baking Day? World Baking Day is celebrated every third Sunday in May. World Baking Day inspires people to bake for their loved ones, friends, and neighbors. These bakers are also encouraged to give their baked goods away as a token of gratitude and appreciation. The cake recipe we are going to share with you today is not actually baked, but it is as good as any of the cakes you have ever eaten. The ingredients required for this mini cake are 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida, half cup milk, 2 pinches of baking soda, 2 eggs, 4 pieces of cardamom, 1 cup of granulated sugar, later to be powdered along with the cardamom, some oil for greasing the pan, preferably use a flavorless oil. First, take a large bowl and add the powdered sugar along with cardamom. To this, add 2 big pinches of baking soda. Mix this well. Next, add 2 beaten eggs to this mixture. And mix well. Next, gradually add the all-purpose flour to our beaten eggs, powdered sugar, cardamom, and baking soda mixture and mix well to remove lumps in the batter. The batter should be smooth and devoid of lumps. Add the milk and the all-purpose flour, which is maida, alternatively and mix well till you reach the desired consistency. This should remove all lumps in the batter. If you wish, you can also use a beater or a whisk for this purpose. Check the consistency of the batter. It should be of ribbon-like consistency. That is, it should fall like a ribbon. Now, we'll close the lid and leave it to rest for 10 minutes. Before pouring the batter, do check its consistency. In case it is too thick, add a little milk and bring it to the ribbon consistency. Meanwhile, we will preheat the pan. Once that is done, we will grease the pan with some oil. Then we will pour the batter only up to 3/4 of each hollow. Put the flame on medium to low and wait for 2 to 3 minutes for it to rise after closing the lid. The time may vary for different appliances, so keep checking your mini cakes to see if they are ready. Check to see if both sides are a beautiful golden brown. Mini cakes are now ready to be served. Transfer these mini cakes onto a serving bowl. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching.